We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
So, good afternoon to all. Today we have discussed related to chapter number 2, which is known as common base configuration of transistor. Uh, Common base configuration of transistor. What is the meaning of common base configuration of transistor? So before that, first of all, you have to study the concept of transistor operation. Transistor operation you have to study very well. After that, you have to able to understand common base configuration. See, this is the total 3 type of configuration. Total 3 type of configuration: common base configuration, common emitter configuration, common collector configuration. See, this is the correct sequence to prepare the concept of transistor. To prepare the concept of transistor, so try to prepare very carefully. Try to prepare very carefully the concept of transistor in very depth manner. So first of all, start with common base configuration. What is the meaning of common base configuration and input output characteristics, and what is the disadvantage of common base configuration, and how practically it is possible to measure the voltage and current in common base configuration, then I will explain with the help of demonstration. So please uh, see this video very carefully. Please see this video very carefully. Now, see, this is the entire preparation sequence with topic. Preparation sequence with topic: common base configuration, common emitter configuration, DC load line Q point, biasing, types of biasing, voltage divider biasing, common emitter amplifier, thermal runaway, AC versus DC load line, common collector configuration, common collector amplifier, common base amplifier. It is the correct preparation sequence which topic mentioned here it. So please prepare very carefully. Now we have switched over the topic. First topic, which is known as common base configuration. Common base configuration. Now, what is the diagram of common base configuration? Just for 1 second. Common base configuration of transistor. See this. This is the circle. This is the symbol. Here it is base. Here emitter. And here collector. Now it is RC register and it is connected in reverse bias. Here base emitter junction connected in forward bias. See this. PEE battery. Now this current is IE. It is known as IB. It is known as IC. This is RC register. So it is known as common base configuration. It is known as RE register. So it is known as common base configuration of transistor. Now, what is the input loop equation and output loop equation? See this. Here, voltage drop VEB. Here, voltage drop VCB. Why VCB? Because base is common. Base is common. That's why. Now, see here, input loop VEE equal to IE RE plus VEB. Output loop VCC equal to ICRC plus VCB. It is the output loop. So it is the basic configuration and input output loop equation. Now, what is the inside function that can be present, that I will explain with the help of, first of all, live demonstration, input characteristics and output characteristics of common base configuration of transistor. See this common base configuration of transistor experiment. Virtual lab. Thanks to IIT Bombay or IITs, we have to do this type of experiment. I have searched here virtual lab only. So here we get Basic Electronics Lab. See this common base characteristics. We have performed the simulation. First of all, input characteristics we have measured. So first of all, we have measured the input characteristics. So read the instruction here. Initially state the rheostat at 1 ohm and rheostat 2 equal to 1 ohm. See, this is 1 ohm. It is also 1 ohm. Now set the collector base voltage VCB to 1 volt by adjusting rheostat 2. Now see this. Read the instruction. Do based on that. Don't do anything. VCB to 1 volt. See this. VCB to 1 volt means what? Output equal to constant. Now base to emitter voltage is varying with respect to rheostat 1. See this, VB is changed. VB is changed. So what is the input characteristics? It is the plot between VEB and IE. Input current is IE. See this. See this. Input current IE. Now see this. Rheostat 1 is changed at table. See this current. How change the current based on the applied voltage that I have mentioned here. See this. See this reading very carefully. See this drastically change. See this. See 2.8 to 2.4. Just change in the millivolt. Just change in the millivolt or minor change. See this. 3.4 to 4.2. See this. 1.2 voltage base to emitter. All the concept that can be explained here. Now see this. Also see this. How current and voltage can be changed drastically. See, this is the reading, which is known as input characteristics. Which is known as input characteristics. Now we have to measure the output characteristics. We have to measure output characteristics. So write down here virtual lab. Here it is virtual lab. Here for electronics communication. Subject basic electronics. Why I have performed this practically? Because based on that you have to be able to understand what is the meaning of that. So then common base. Base is common, that's why it is connected to ground. Now see output characteristics. If you want to measure the output characteristics, then read the instruction. Set the value of resistance at 1 ohm. Now set the emitter current. Now see in output characteristics input is constant. So input is constant with the help of rheostat 1. See this, here it is known as rheostat 1, here it is known as rheostat 2. Rheostat means what? Simple potentiometer, variable resistor. Now see, if you can want to measure the constant current, IE equal to 1 milliampere. So please constant the current IE equal to 1 milliampere. So see this, it is the constant. Now, if you can change the RE2, then see this collector current is changed. If you can change the RE2, see this. If it is 0, what is the meaning of common base characteristics? Already discussed in the class. If VCB is 0, then IC is not equal to 0. See this. VCB 0, still IC current is flow. See this, read the instruction. VCB is changed. VCB is changed. See this. Still IC current can be flow in the circuit. And if VCB is increased, then IC is not dependent on VCB. See this. VCB is increased to 3 volt, 4 volt, then IC is constant. See this very carefully. See this very carefully. IC is constant. See, IC is increased starting from 0 volt. See this. Up to VCB equal to 3 volt, IC is increased. But otherwise, IC remain constant. See this, IC equal to constant. See this very carefully. Why it is possible, that I will explain with the help of theory, but it is pure practical concept. If you can increase, see this, see this, there is no change in the collector current. So what is the output characteristics? If you can increase the VCB, then there is no change in the collector current. Again repeat, if you can increase the VCB, then there is no change in the collector current. Please carefully remember that point. If you can increase the VCB, see this voltage across VCB is increased. See this. See this. If you can decrease, still collector current is constant. I have include the reading, all the reading at table. See this. Collector current is this. See this. If register is changed, this register change, this register value is changed, then collector current is changed. See this. See this. See this. See this very carefully. See this very carefully. Current is constant. I have highlight this. See this, current is constant. If you can increase the VCB voltage, then current equal to constant. So if you can plot these characteristics, see these characteristics. VCB is constant at 0, VCB equal to 0, then collector current is maximum. See this here. VCB equal to 0, I have write this here. VCB equal to 0, then IC not equal to 0 in common base configuration. See, this is the entire practical that I have performed in the virtual lab. So thanks to virtual lab faculty, practical. Practical I have performed, but simulation is given here. That's why based on that we have able to explain the practical way. See, this is the constant graph. See, this is the constant graph. See, so it is considered as a constant value. If you can increase VCB, then collector current is constant. So why this constant? That I will explain. In detail. Don't worry regarding that. So it is the concept regarding the common base configuration. In this lecture, we have discussed this, why this constant and why we can get this type of graph. And see this VCB equal to 0, then IC not equal to 0. So means what? Graph can be converted into second quadrant. Graph can be converted into second quadrant. So it is the justification related to input and output characteristics. Now I have sketched the input and output characteristics in whiteboard. I have removed this. This is the configuration. See this diagram very carefully. Now it is known as VCB. It is known as IC. Now I have sketched the characteristics. See this. It is known as input current. Input current is constant, IE. Input current is constant, IE. Input current is here also constant, IE. Clear? If you can increase the VCB, then collector current is remain constant. That I have explained with the help of this particular graph. Why constant? That I have discussed in this particular lecture. So it is the output characteristics. It is the output characteristics of common base configuration. Why VCB? I have write here. Why VCB? Because base is constant. If emitter is constant, then write VCE. If emitter is constant, emitter is common, sorry, then write VCE. So it is the notation, standard notation, and it is the output current. Why these characteristics we can get? I will explain this in detail. Don't worry for that.